Hello and welcome to Pro Sporting Goods, home of ProTrapandSkeet.com. If you own a Blaser F3 Super Sport or Super Skeet, you now have the ability to shoot sub-gauge barrels directly off your F3 frame. Available from Pro Rib products are barrels in 20, 28, and 410 gauge that allow you to simply remove the 12 gauge barrel from your Super Sport snap right in, and you can maintain the exact same point of impact as comes with the factory setting of your F3 high rib sporting gun. These barrels are available exclusively from Pro Sporting Goods, so visit us at ProTrapandSkeet.com for more information. Thanks for tuning in.